Hello, do you know you can make thousands and thousands of dollars online with t-shirt business? Yes, with t-shirt business. I'm going to take you through the step-by-step in which you can actually start your own t-shirt business, whereby everything you need is going to be actually free, automatically free, and you're going to make your own money. Have a business, a variable business that keep on making money for you day in and day out. So if you are ready, stay with me because I want to walk you through the step-by-step approach in which you can do everything for absolutely free. Yes, without spending any money, how you can create a design, how you can actually set up your store, how you can automate your store, how people from all over the world like USA, UK can actually come to your store, make purchase, and you will make cool money. Alright, if you are ready, let's get into it. But before we start, you have to follow my step by step. Do not skip any part. And please, because if you skip any part, you might end up coming back to the video, you're going to watch it. I don't want you to do that. I just want you to watch it once and for all, and for you to get it exactly. You know that there are thousands and thousands of hobbies on the internet. All these are hobbies that people come across, what people like, and since it's their hobby, you can actually come and purchase things that's related to their hobby. If you like cooking, you want to wear clothes that is related to cooking, because this will actually help you and make you to be more passionate about cooking. So these are people hobbies. You see, some people like graphic design, some is video making, some is television and waving and any other thing. So I want to walk you through this step by step. So let's get started. Now the first step you have to do is to come to this channel and click on this subscribe button. It is very important, very important. Please click on this subscribe button, and this video, what you have to do, so you see this video now is going to play like something like this. All you have to do is just to click, hello, you're welcome. My name is just to click on this like button. Click on this like button. This encourages me to create more video for you. So the first thing you have to do is to subscribe. Click on this subscribe button and like this video. And if you have any question, you can comment below. So let's get started. Now you're going to come to this website known as Prettify.com. Prettify.com enable you to create and sell custom products, and it is 100% free. That 100% free, and on this place you have up to 3,300 plus high quality products, and it is the largest global printing network in the world. And you can see all you have to do is not need to create the design, just put the design here, everything is going to be done for you, and this is automated. So and you are guaranteed of having high profit, robust scaling, and best selection. So let me tell you more about this website. So when I come to the details of this website, how many people come to view this website in a single day, and every other thing, you see that this is very amazing. People that come to view this website on a monthly basis, it is about, okay, let me give you the full details. Alright, so let's come with me. So people that come to view that on a monthly visit is 2.50 million. So the people that come to this Prettify.com to view it and to see how this is, they come and their number is 2.50 million. Wow, that is amazing. This shows that this website here is a big marketplace for t-shirt business. If you're not making money online, you are missing a lot. So please stay with me. I will walk you through the step-by-step process. And people that come to the website spend approximately 10 minutes. Yes, on this website, approximately 10 minutes. And people that come to the website are mostly from USA, from UK, Canada, Turkey, and India. And if you're in Nigeria or Africa, this is an avenue for you to actually make more money. So let's get started. The first thing you have to do is to actually create an account here. So I'm going to put the link below in the description box. Just click on the link below, and you're going to be able to create an account. So instead of typing the Prettify.com and the error you're typing, just click on the link in the description box below or in the comment section. You'll be brought straight to this place. So you just click on sign up. I'm going to sign up and create a free account, an automatically free account that will cost you nothing. Alright, so when you click on sign up, it's going to bring you to this page where you can put in your details. So let's wait for that to load. Now you can see, so me, I just like signing up with my Gmail, so I have to wait for this Gmail to load. So that makes things even easier and faster for no need of confirming email or doing this and that. Right? So as this is loaded, but if not, you need to sign up with your Google account. I just put in your email here and you're good to go. So I'm going to click on continue with Google. Okay, just to sign up. It's not a must sign up because you can sign up with your normal account. So I'm going to sign up, continue with Google here. Then I'm going to choose one of my email, and this will automatically just take me in. Alright, so let's wait for that to do. So please do not skip any part. If you skip any part, you might miss the most important steps, because after this one, I'm going to take you to the most important steps. Please do not skip any part. Watch to the very end, and if you like what you are getting in this channel, please subscribe, like, share. Encourage you to always go out there and give to you the best resources that you could ever need to make money online. So this is already going through. So let's wait for that to finish loading. Okay, so immediately the thing finish loading, it's going to, alright, so it has actually taken me in, automatically take me in. Wow. So tell me now that, okay, I should tell you, they're asking me more about myself. So I'm not able to click anything here. How can you best describe yourself? So I'm going to say I am a content creator. You can choose anyone you want to do. So they say, are you already selling? You say, okay, let's say yes, I'm selling offline. Now they ask you that what is your monthly revenue? Just click on anyone available here. So I'm just going to click on, okay, just come down here and click on $500 to $5,000 and click on next. Everything you choose there is not that important. It's just for them to have more content about who you are. So now this is what is most important. Now you have already done the first one. You have created your Printify account. Now the next one is design. Is to design your first product. So just click on design product. Now the question will be, how can I get design? How can I get design to design for my first product? Okay, so I'm going to walk you through it step by step. Now before you actually design your first product, you can actually check through the type that you want, the person that wants to print for you, and this and that. So I'm going to choose the best here, one of the best. So our advice is to always go for the best seller. So because they are the one that have more power on this website, so always go for the best seller. So actually you can print on virtually anything you can ever imagine. You can print on t-shirt, you can print on leggings, you can print on signets, you can print on wallets, on even bags. Alright, so let's get started. All you have to do is just to come up here. I'm just going to click on a printer here. Okay, this is black. Should we go for black or white? So let's just go for this. Let's go for this. So just click on this image here. So it's going to bring you to your other places. Now we have something here. Okay, let's see. Hope this is loading perfectly. Alright, then just press back. Okay, it's loading perfect. Sorry about that. That is the network. Alright, so now this is what you have. So you can actually go to every part of the design and see how this is being done here. Okay, so I'm having my network is kind of glitching here. So this is for the male one, then this is for the female one. So for me and female, you can get everything like that. So one thing that this is 100% look combed and ring spun cotton. So this is a 100% cotton and it's very wonderful. And this seller has 9.9% rating. So this seller is an amazing seller. It's an amazing printer. So this is the printing machine that I have to print it. So you can also use a monster printer. So they're also amazing. But I would prefer this one because their pricing is quite lower than this one up here. So I'm just going to click on start designing. So if you click on start designing, you'll be able to design on this same website, on the editor of this website, without necessarily going to Photoshop or Corel to do your design. So this is why everything is going to be done. So now the next thing you're going to do is to actually get your design. Now ask yourself, what do I love doing? Okay, let's say I love riding bicycle. So maybe I love riding bicycle, for example. I like smiling. Let's say I like smiling. So just come to this website known as canvas.com. But if you are a graphic designer, this is a bonus for you. You don't need to get any software again. Just don't come to the website again. Just put your design there and you're good to go. But I'm going to walk you through in case you don't have any design. So for you to start making money absolutely free without you necessarily stressing yourself. So when you come to this website, all you have to do is to click on create a design. So you're going to log in, of course, and click on go to design. I'll also put this link below in the description box. Just click on it and you'll be brought to this website here. So I'm going to click on create a design. Then okay, you can actually size design that you want, or better still, you can click on custom size. Let me click on custom size and just give a size of let's just say 5,000 pieces by 5,000 pieces. Alright, then I'm going to click on create a new design. So it's going to take me to the editor on the canvas whereby I can actually create my free design absolutely free without spending anyone without spending even a kobo or a cent, as the case may be in your country. So let's wait for that to load. So I want to create a design about smile, have a beautiful day, smile. So what I'm going to do is now I'll be giving templates here. So I have templates I can actually use if I want to, but I'm just going to come to elements here and search for smile. Let's search for smile if there's anything of such here. Just click on smile and then punch the search icon. Okay, let's click on put smile and press enter. So let's see. I think I'm going to do that again. Okay, nice loading. Let's wait for that for a few minutes and see. So these are the faces of the smiling faces that appear for you. You can actually just choose anyone. Okay, let me see. there's anyone I would like here. And please don't go for this icon. This one that has like crown there, they are all professional and pro. So you click on it, you end up paying. So let me just go with this first one here. Okay, let's see. Or if you don't want to design with all this, you can just make your simple text. So I'm going to walk you through how you can actually make a simple text and you'll be good to go. Let's see. Maybe I can see something amazing here. If there's not, I'll just use a simple text issue. I can actually design with this canvas in just a few minutes. Yeah, few minutes. So please stay with me to the very end. Do not skip any part. It's important. I'm not searching for yet. Okay. In the absence of none, let me just come to text. Come to text here and just pick one beautiful text about smiling. Okay, so these are the texts example of text you can actually choose. So I'm just going to look down so I get the one that I think is okay. You can actually use this one's cool. I'll use that one, but let me see if there's any other one. Okay, let me see. You can also use this one too. This one is cool. Alright, if I do not see anyone, I might actually try to design my home by myself. Okay, let's see. That one is cool. Okay, see, it's not for birthday or no stuff like that. I just use that automatically. So let's see. Okay, I'm just trying to look for the best outside. Let me use this congrats. When you click on it, automatically it's going to load here. So, alright, so let's go to here it is. Then you can see this icon. I'm just going to extend it a little bit. Extend it. Make it bigger. Alright. Okay. I think it's called. I have to take it back. I'm going to delete this one. Okay. So I'm going to delete that. I'm doing this one here. Alright. So I'm just going to type anything I want to type here. Just click on that and type. Alright, so we click on, let me just smiling. Alright, let me just put smile. You deserve to be happy. Okay, smile. Oh, capital letter E. Alright, just going to highlight this one too. You deserve to be happy. Okay, smile, you deserve to be happy. You don't take away all this one. I don't think I need this one. Let's go to delete that. So smile, you deserve to be happy. So I'm just going to highlight this again. Just double click. That's how you do this on phone if you want to. Double click, then come to this place, align it at the center. Okay, let's at the center. Okay, it's at the center now. Then this smile just is kind of bending like that. So let's see if I can actually straighten it. If I cannot, I'm just going to use this like that. Alright, I don't think it's possible for me to straighten it. Alright, so that's been done. I'm going to change the background. So I'm going to change the background. I don't like the way the background is kind of color like that. So let's make it something like yellow since it's created with smile. Okay, let's see this yellow. Okay, you see this our work is just going fine. I love the way this is going. So I'm just going to turn this to, let me make it white. Let me leave it like that. Then I'm going to come straight here. I'm not creating a simple design. You can do more. You can do more. Come to elements here and just put one of this smiling face. Let's see this one. Okay, just try to get one of this. Let me go with this one. When I click on it once, it's going to appear here automatically. You can see it here. So I'm just going to reduce the size a little bit. Okay, just going to put it here. I may end up deleting this one here. I don't like it again. It's not kind of professional. So we'll delete this one and put this one here. That. Alright. Then change this one color. You can see it's up there. Okay, no, not this. Just click on it once. Then change this color to, let's change this to white. White is not that good. Let me change the blue. That's off. Alright, so just come to the second color. I'm going to change this one to white. You can see, I think that is okay a little bit. So I'm going to create this kind of simple design. You can do more actually. I must tell you, you can actually do more. You can do more. You can just click on graphics. So everything that is a smile on graphics is going to appear here. You can do more. Alright, so we will do this simple design, just make it a little bit in the center. Okay, you can make it a little bit small and let it be in the center. Alright, I feel like turning this one to white. I don't know. Let's see to white, but I'll see how it's going to be. So let me see. It's white, okay. Oh, that's all. I can Control Z it and everything come back to normal. So if you don't want to put this one, we're going to put something else. Now let's put something else. Well, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to turn this one. I don't like the way it is blue, so I just want to make it a little bit okay. Let's see this. Let's see red. Let's see green. Green will be better here. You just leave it like this. Alright, so this is what you can do. You can, when you get to this, you can actually go on Google and just search for free design. It's going to come out for you. Alright, so this is being done here. All you have to do is just to click on download. You just go come here and click on download. You download your image as PNG. So download PNG is suggested for you. You can actually increase the size if you want. Okay, just click on download here. So you click on download here. When I click on download, it's going to be downloaded. As you can see, it's loading here. It's going to download. Okay, wait for that to finish downloading. Don't tamper with it. Let it just finish downloading on its own. So please, as I said earlier, watch to the very end, and everything you create is going to be free. So here is our work. So just come back to this printify.com, and here we are. So to close this, and let's see if I can just drag this straight. Alright. Let's see. Okay, so you can drag it straight. I'm not dragging it straight, and it's going to appear on the editor, on the close of the editor here. So here we go. As you see, look at here now. Gosh, it's kind of beautiful. I'm just going to align. Okay, I'm already giving a space for we to align it. I'm going to align it like that. So you should not exclude this part here. So this is my basic design. You can actually do this the font. You can actually do the back if you want to. I'm just going to leave only the font just for the sake of this tutorial. I like this design. It's quite okay. So you can actually, so the color that we have here, you have up to like 29 colors. You can actually choose any color that you want. So let me say I want to choose. I want the color to be. Let's say I want the color of the wears to be like blue. So when you click on blue, it's going to show like blue like that. So if you want it, you want it to be ash. So let's see ash. So let me just leave it as ash here. Just for the sake of this tutorial. If I want to make it more beautiful, just make it more beautiful. So that's been done. So everything has been done. High resolution. Our design is now ready. Just click on save product. So immediately you click on save product, it's going to take you to the next one. Alright, so you can now. How do you want feedback? Okay, you want your feedback. I don't want to ask you want your feedback. Alright, so here we are. You can see this is our first product, our first t-shirt. So let me edit this. Let me go back to edit this thing. I think I feel there's something I have to show you guys. I'm not showing you guys. Alright, so this is the font here, and you can see all our details. So you can actually put a description. Okay, a description has automatically been put for you. Now this is the place I actually skip. You can actually set pricing for everything you want. So if it's small, you want to be small size. So if it's small size, you said if it's small size of 3 colors. So this cost is going to be this, the retail cost is this, the profit is this. So this price has been kind of set for you automatically, as you can see. So now you can actually edit your price if you want to. You can edit the price. So I also want medium and large, and also extra large. You can see the price has been set for you. So at this price, you are making a profit of $6.14. I would just advise you can leave it like this, but you can actually edit the price if you want to. So I'm going to do all this and come down here. So we have okay, just click on save as drafts here. So you can actually publish it if you want to, but I won't publish it straight here. So that's been done. You can actually come back and add more products and do this and do that. So we have actually successfully done the first part. Now the next thing you are going to do now is to actually connect your stuff. So you're going to connect your stuff. So I'm going to click. Let's first enable automatic routing. Click on automatic routing. So you have to give your store name. So I'm going to give my store a name. So I'm going to give it. Okay, I'm going to give it Daniel Store. Alright, let me close this. I'm going to give it Daniel. Okay, let's call it Daniel Store. Everything we are doing here is free. So we'll click on create store here. So here I am. My store has been created. So the next thing I'm going to do is to add my personal details. If I want to, just going to add my personal details. So name of store again. call it Daniel store. Okay, then come down. You can your contact details, your full name, just put in all this. Alright. Okay. Alright, my address. So I will not pay tax, because if you choose USA, you're going to pay tax. I'm going to choose I'm in Nigeria. This does not really matter. So just go to Lagos here. Okay. Then address. I'm going to put this. Okay. Let me put Lagos. Let me just put Ogun State. OG. Okay. Enter Ogun State. So I don't give myself necessary stress. So we'll click here. Click on save. As you can see, we have been creating all these things. We have not actually make any payment. So this is what I'm talking about. This is the real deal. Now the next thing that is important is for you to connect your store. Now connecting your store, make your store to be more automated, make it to be more automated. You can be sleeping and making cool cash. Alright, let's get started. So just click on connect. So please stay with me to the very end. I'm going to show you how you can actually connect this thing for free. All these things should cost you more. Like, you want to connect to WooCommerce, you have to get a domain and hosting, so and that will cost you money. You can connect it to eBay, to the rest, and it's going to cost you money, a little bit of money. It's not necessarily large, but they'll ask you for a little money. So I'm going to walk you through how you can get this thing for free. So I'm going to connect it with ST5. So ST. Just click on Connect Store. Okay, when you click on Connect Store here, it's going to tell you that you have not actually done anything. You have to sign up for ST5. So sign up for ST5. So what I'm going to do is to put in my email. Your better you can just continue with Google. I think the Google has not located as loaded. So I'm going to click on continue with Google. So that will save me a lot of stress of putting password and put everything. When I click on continue with Google, it will go automatically and things go quite easy for me. Alright, so here I am. I want you to finish loading up here. I'm just going to click on let's see. Yes, my name here, Dana, there with this particular email here. So here I am. Okay. That is going through for me here. Just have to patiently wait for it to finish loading anything you want to load. So, and this one will like be connected to your account. Like they are telling you that this application will like be connected to your account. So just come down here and click on allow access. So allow access, all these things. So it means that when people come to your printer, when people come to eBay, they will see your products. So when they click on your product, they will be able to make sales. You're able to make purchase, and you're able to make your own cash. As you can see, so this is already going for me. I've already been able to install it, to be able to connect it to my ST. Okay, let's say it's ST. Now, successfully, I've actually connected my store. Just like that. So my store is now connected to eBay. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that is the easy. As you can see, ST here, STSY. You can see my store has been connected to it. So you can actually manage my store here without me paying anything, without me doing anything. So let me tell you more about this ISTI here. Alright, so let me just come. So ISTI itself has thousands and thousands of people that come to here to just to make purchase, and I've actually gotten a store on this ISTI here. Wow, is that not amazing? So when people come to this website now, this ISTI here has also millions of people that come to this website in a single day. Now, that is literally the basic way you can actually make money. Yes, as you can see, let me give you more of that details. People that come to this website here to make purchase are about 398 million people, more than that, and they spend approximately 6 minutes on this website. So this is a big marketplace for you. So now we have actually gotten our store in place. All you have to do is just to, if you want to add more products, you can actually create new store. If you want to add more products, you can actually disconnect this from eBay if you want to. But this has been automatic. So when people come to eBay and they make purchase, you're going to make your own purchase. You can come to account, you can click on payment here. I'm going to put in more of the details, but I don't want to actually make this to be so long so that you won't get it. But so I'm going to create. If you want me to create another tutorial on how you can actually add your details to this website here, I'm going to just comment below, and I'm going to tell you. So you can actually add your credit card, you can connect it to your face tag, and everything will be automated. So when immediately you make money, if you have a coupon, customer can click on coupon just to have a look. I advise you to actually create a coupon. Customer can just click on it, and this will encourage them to make more sales, and you make your money. So ladies and gentlemen, this is it. This is how to start your own t-shirt business online absolutely free. As you can see, everything we have done here, you have not spent a single penny. So ladies and gentlemen, this is it. Alright, so I love you so much. My name is Daniel Boy. Please subscribe, like, and share. So I create more video on how you can make money online, how to make money online and offline, talk about businesses. So if you're interested in making money, kindly subscribe, like, and share. So please share with your friends. And if you have any question, comment below. Thank you so much.